Don't make these 5 mistakes when you're starting your dumpster rental business. Number 1, don't do it as a side hustle. Form an LLC and get a business bank account. With an LLC, you can make sure your business has proper liability coverage. With a business bank account, you can keep your business dealings separate from your personal. And number 2, don't just create a business Google profile and a phone number. Have some sort of website. Customers want to know what you're about, see past experiences, and some prefer to book online. Number 3, don't rent to people without some sort of contract. Ensuring you have a well thought out contract could cover you from when your customers overfill your dumpsters and put in non-accepted waste material. Number 4, don't leave the customers in the dark. From personal experience, the more the communication, the better the overall experience. Let the customers know about booking details, when you'll be in routing, where they'd like the dumpster, when you're picking up, when the job is complete, etc. Many of my 5-star reviews have been revolved around effective communication. Number 5, don't have a dumpster rental business without some sort of advertisement. Effective advertisement can be a game changer. Make sure you have adequate advertisement plastered on your dumpsters themselves. Be sure to take advantage of free advertisement on social media by making a YouTube, a TikTok, and a Facebook, etc. And finally, go shopping around and see what advertisement company could work best for you. By avoiding these mistakes, it will help you get your dumpster rental business up and going in no time. If you're interested in other tips and tricks about how to start a dumpster rental business, check out my other videos. And thank you for watching.